Hello everyone, welcomes AJ Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites of earn money online and the money making app. Also, I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I started the best online earning website series and I suggest 10 sites or app that's very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel, watch the video till the end for whole information. This is the fourth website of earning online which I can suggest. If you first time see this video, please see the whole video of these series, link in I button. I can suggest 10 website or online money making app series, so subscribe my channel. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Bird Online Money Making App? Bird Online Money Making App is changing the eventual fate of transportation by giving an on-request close-to-home electric vehicle sharing organization. We are dispatching urban communities over the globe and we are searching for driven people to go along with us as flyers. How to join? Joining is straightforward and simple. Include your financial data so we can pay you every day. What will we do? Go out into the network to discover Bird's online money making app so as to finish a move task that requires no charging or a charge task where you'll take birds to your living arrangement for charging and delivering them the following morning. Payout: get paid daily. Get consequently paid before every day's over for a move tasks or every morning for the charge tasks you did the prior night. I hope you really enjoy the video. It's very simple to create an account in the Bird Online Money Making app and you will start earning from today. Follow the steps and start your journey. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave comments and share the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon.